how to transfer from Bitget to your wallet. So, how to transfer your funds to Bitget wallet. So, you can do that by transferring funds from other wallets as well, but transferring funds from your widget app itself is different. So, you want to go to your app and then choose to send it instead of receiving it, as you can see here. Then after that, you will want to copy the cryptocurrency's wallet address. Now, with that wallet address, you want to paste it on another wallet and then click receive and type that address that you copied. Same thing as what you're doing here on the Widget wallet, but it's different. It's the opposite. So simply just click the receive on the other wallet and then type the address or paste the address like a one-time withdrawal on that wallet. And that's how you can transfer the money from your Trust wallet or the Widget wallet to another wallet because it's like the same as transferring funds to Widget wallet, but it's the opposite. And if it's like buying the cryptocurrency itself, but transferring it to your wallet instead. So simply just copy the wallet address of Widget wallet transaction and then paste it on another wallet. And that's how you can transfer funds and stuff into another wallet from Widget.